Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. Today we are outside. It's so beautiful out and I'm trying to spend as much time outside as possible. And another reason we're outside is that we're getting our floors redone, so I really can't be inside. There's not really much furniture to sit on and record, so we're outside today. So I hope it's okay for you guys. It's so beautiful. Anyway, today I am sharing my April Glossybox, and last month was my first box and I thought it was really great. I don't know what's inside my box this month. I do want to show you really quickly one of the products that I got last month that I've been using. Last month I got this Mana Kadar Beauty Bloom Volumizing Mascara. This was the one with the cool kind of tube, and then I'll show you the wand just to remind you. So I have been using it. I did use it today. I don't use it every day. This is a good mascara for days that you just kind of want to have a natural look. It's not clumping. Doesn't really give you a lot of volume. It does do a little bit for the length. It's, like I said, a very natural look. So I have been using this for days that I don't really want to be as dramatic with my mascara. So I do like this, and I looked this up and this does retail at $29, so this pays for your box. So I forgot to mention, Glossybox is $21 a month. I will leave a link below if you want to try it for yourself, or if you want to just look into it for more information. It comes mailed to you in this box, and then I didn't open the other one yet, but it comes also in this box. And I remember last month was such a great presentation, so I'm really excited to see what's inside. You get a wine voucher too, so that's really cool. All right, let's dig in and see what's inside. Oh, wow. They must know that I love my wine. Look, another wine voucher. Cool. All right. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's kind of cute. Kind of fill in the blanks on the top of the box. I love little details like that. And then look how cute this comes packaged. Little bow. And then I think this here is what's inside the box. And I apologize, last month I didn't tell you the prices and the value of the box, so I'm gonna leave this out so I can refer to this and tell you how much each of the products is worth in this box. I'm gonna leave it right under here, and I'm just gonna kind of glance at it to show you, or to tell you. And then, whoops, I'm ruining it. How cute. I love that. So Easter spring-like. I love that. All right, so let's start. Where do we want to start? Let's start with this. This is by Juice Beauty. This is the Phyto Pigment Cream Shadow Stick, and I'll show you the stick. This is valued at $22, so that pays for your box. So this is like I guess an eyeshadow. Let's look at it. I don't wear eyeshadow that much. Okay, so here it is. Kind of a neutral, so it's a cream eyeshadow. Oh, very light. You probably can't even see that. No, you can't. I might wear that because it's very light and it's very neutral, so I like that. So, really cool. All right, next is, let's see. This is the John Masters Organics Shampoo with lavender and rosemary. Let me see if I can smell it. Ooh, that smells nice. Oh, and this is the conditioner. So let me just go over that and I'll look at the prices. And this is the conditioner for normal hair with citrus and neroli. Oh, I can't smell it because it's got that foil on top of it. The shampoo didn't. So I'll just show you the bottle. Whoops, I'm really bad at this. All right. Those are valued. So the conditioner, the full size value of the conditioner is $19, and the full size shampoo is $19. So a little bit expensive, but I'm excited to try these because I like trying new shampoos. A little cute size bottle. These are good for travel, right? All right. And then next I have, ooh, a plumper. I love a good lip plumper, and I haven't gotten one in my beauty boxes in a while, so I'm really excited. So this is BYBI Beauty. It's a natural lip balm plumper. The full size value is $14. That's awesome. So if I like this, I don't have to spend that much money on it. So I do have a lip color on, but I kind of want to put this on. So here's the plumper. Whoops. Can I put a little bit on? Oh, I can't get it. I'll try it later and I'll report back. I love a good lip plumper. I'm so excited for this. Okay, because I have tiny lips, especially my top lip. It's really tiny, so I like a good lip plumper. All right, and then I have, this is by Derma E Essentials Overnight Peel. So this looks nice. And let me just tell you the price on that. The full size value of that is $18.99. So that's really good. And that is supposed to be used, oh, when you're sound asleep, and it's supposed to, it'll take over the night shift and even out your skin's complexion. Cool. All right. And then lastly, I think these must be the same product, but there's two of them. They're by Kiehl's. And the print on the bottle is so small that I'm gonna read from here, so I apologize because I've been reading from here a lot. But these are the Glow Formula Skin Hydrator, and they are 2 pieces, 5 milliliters each. The full size value is $38, so that's really pricey. But this is supposed to give you glowing skin now and later. And so it's supposed to really hydrate your skin just as a moisturizer. So I always like receiving moisturizers in my boxes. So these look really awesome. So that was my Glossybox for the month of April. I can't wait to try these products and report back to you on how much I like them. Or maybe not like them, but hopefully I like them all. Gotta be positive, right? All right, so I really do appreciate you spending some time with me today. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this beautiful spring day outside. I hope that you do as well. If it's nice where you are, I'm hoping it is. But I'll see you again really soon in my next video.